Are you a parent of a kindergartner or a preschooler? Or you a kindergartner or a preschooler yourself? You know your phonics, but still getting hard for you to read the words. Well, what we are going to do is we are going to break up our alphabets into consonants and vowels. All our consonants have a sound, but our vowels make lots of sounds. Now it's pretty confusing for a little child to know which sound to use where. That is what we are going to learn in these lessons. We are going to break up the sounds of our vowels into short and long vowel sounds. Now we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The sound of short vowel A is A. So in today's lesson, we are going to cover the short vowel sound of A with the first family that we have, add. Add family. Now we know the sound of short vowel A is A, and we're going to combine it with the consonant D, D. A, D becomes add. Now we're going to add a consonant in front of this add, and we're going to make new words. Now let's see. B makes a sound of B. Now when you add it in front of add, it becomes B, A, ba, and then it ends with D, D sound. B, A, D, bad. Now our next word is going to be had. H, H. The sound of H is H, H, A, D, had. Next one is going to be lad. Lad. Lad is a little boy. Lad. L, L, A, D. Now which alphabet produces the sound of L? You're right. L. L, A. A makes a sound of A and ends with D, lad. Our next word is going to be dad. D, 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 A, D. So you hear the sound of the consonant D, D. D, A, D. Now we're going to use the next word, which is mad. Mad. Which sound do you hear? M, M. Correct. Mad means angry. I'm so mad at you. Mad. Next word is going to be sad. S. S makes a sound of S. S combined with short vowel sound of A becomes sad. 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 Now let's practice these words while I raise the board. B, add, bad. H, add, had. L, add, lad. D, add, dad. M, add, mad. And S, add, sad. Our next word is going to be tad. T. Which alphabet makes a sound of T? T. Correct. T. T makes a sound of T. 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 A. D. Tad. Tad means a little. Can you put a tad bit of salt in my food? Tad. And the last one is going to be pad. P, P, alphabet P. Correct. Pad. P, A, D, pad. Now, once you're done with these words, you're going to practice it. How? You're going to practice each word by writing them 5 times. 5 times in your notebook. When you write and read them along, it registers in the child's mind. Now keep practicing 5 times. Along with the short vowel sounds, if you practice the sight words, it is going to help you. We're going to cover the sight words in the next family in the next lesson. I hope you liked the video.